Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA Daikin Industries' journey from aircraft parts to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Leadership exemplifies strategic foresight. Founded in 1924, Daikin's transformation involved visionary leadership, strategic pivots, and operational excellence. Key decisions, leadership principles, and market adaptations have driven its growth, making it a global air conditioning leader. This case study highlights the critical elements sustaining Daikin's success over nearly a century. Daikin Industries' journey from aircraft parts to HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, leadership exemplifies strategic evolution. Founded in 1924, Daikin's growth is marked by visionary leadership, strategic pivots, and operational excellence. Key decisions and market adaptations have been pivotal in sustaining its century-long success, transforming it into the world's leading air conditioning brand. In 1924, Akira Yamada founded Daikin in Osaka, Japan, focusing on aircraft components amid rapid industrialization. The company quickly gained a reputation for precision engineering and quality craftsmanship, laying the foundation for its enduring corporate identity. These core values would later guide Daikin through significant strategic transformations. Post-World War II, Daikin faced a critical juncture as Japan's aircraft industry waned. Leadership strategically pivoted to refrigeration and cooling technologies, aligning with Japan's post-war economic needs. This shift addressed the rising demand for modern comforts in homes and businesses, setting the stage for Daikin's future innovations in cooling solutions. Daikin's research and development excellence became a competitive advantage through its innovation culture, fostering experimentation in cooling technologies. The company developed proprietary fluorocarbon chemical technologies, creating significant barriers to entry for competitors. A robust patent portfolio protected core innovations, facilitating global expansion and securing Daikin's leadership in the industry. Noriyuki Inoue, appointed CEO in the 1990s, led Daikin's transformation by prioritizing execution excellence over strategic planning. He fostered a global talent pipeline, balancing innovation with operational discipline, and cultivated a corporate culture that respected tradition while embracing adaptability. Daikin's global expansion strategy focused on solidifying Asian market dominance through localized manufacturing. In Europe, strategic acquisitions and a regional headquarters in Belgium facilitated market entry. The 2012 acquisition of Goodman Global Group for $3.7 billion marked a significant penetration into the North American heating, ventilation, and air conditioning market, enhancing Daikin's global footprint. Daikin's operational excellence is driven by its proprietary production system, blending Japanese manufacturing principles with global practices. This system emphasizes continuous improvement, just-in-time inventory management, and robust quality control, minimizing defects and maximizing efficiency. Under Inoue's guidance, these strategies have been pivotal in maintaining Daikin's competitive edge. Daikin's financial success is marked by disciplined expansion and strategic acquisitions, ensuring consistent revenue and operating profit growth. Even amid global economic challenges, Daikin maintained healthy profit margins, showcasing resilience and strategic foresight in financial management. Daikin's product innovation drives growth through pioneering variable refrigerant volume systems, enhancing commercial heating, ventilation, and air conditioning efficiency. Their inverter technology, with variable speed compressors, cuts power consumption by 30%. Additionally, Daikin's advanced air purification solutions, featuring proprietary filtration technologies, cater to health-conscious consumers, expanding their market reach. Daikin is tackling sustainability by developing low global warming potential refrigerants and embracing circular economy principles in manufacturing. The company is setting ambitious carbon neutrality goals and creating energy-efficient products to minimize consumer footprints, ensuring business growth aligns with environmental responsibility. Daikin's resilience is exemplified by its strategic pivot post-war, showcasing the courage to reinvent amidst changing market conditions. Inway's focus on cultivating a strong organizational culture provided alignment for consistent execution. Success in international markets was achieved by balancing local adaptation with core quality standards, ensuring global and local needs were met effectively. Daikin's future strategy emphasizes digital transformation to enhance operations and customer experiences. The company aims to expand into integrated building management systems and develop AI-powered climate control solutions. Additionally, Daikin plans to strengthen its presence in emerging markets, focusing on India and Africa, to drive growth in its second century. Daikin's strategy model emphasizes visionary leadership, balancing long-term vision with decisive actions at critical moments. Their innovation focus is evident through sustained research and development investments, ensuring technological leadership. A global mindset is maintained by cultural adaptability and consistent quality standards. Operational excellence is achieved through disciplined execution systems, translating strategy into consistent results. Thank you, and Daikin's strategy model exemplifies visionary leadership, balancing long-term vision with decisive action. Their innovation focus is evident through sustained research and development investment, ensuring technological leadership. A global mindset is maintained by cultural adaptability and consistent quality standards. Operational excellence is achieved through disciplined execution systems, translating strategy into consistent results.